Hey everyone, Amira here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a simple henna design. Nothing too complex, nothing too over the top, just simple basics of what you need to know about doing a henna. It's going to be a voiceover, so you're going to be hearing my voice along the way. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Or if you have any requests on any designs that you want me to do on my lovely hand model, please leave them down in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you know I'm going to be dropping some nice videos for you guys once I get popping in the school year, because right now it's kind of dry. But once school starts up, business is going to be booming again. I'm going to be dropping vlogs for you guys to check out my day doing an event. So stay tuned for those. Please hit subscribe and stay tuned for the rest of the video. So we're just gonna do a traditional Mehendi piece. It's basically like flowers and other objects. I don't know what to call the pieces, but it's just more of a traditional pattern. They do stick with types of patterns in Mehendi pieces, but if you don't want to do a Mehendi piece, just do whatever. I'm just trying to show you guys the basics of all of this, and the older people that you do, the more simple the piece that they want. So it's a good piece to learn how to do, or just pattern wise how to do, going up one finger or no finger at all. But yeah, I just stuck with the traditional simple piece, and the flowers and the stems are usually as traditional as it comes. And yeah, don't mind my mom's fingers. She wanna be stubborn and don't want to show it. So, but if you guys have any more questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.